can
what we
continue.
are
Yeah,
talking now is the rationalization of
Percentage.
Bala.
No
right?
problem.
yes,
No
yes,
problem.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. So high level this one. So guys, with this we have seen the P3 only, and this is anticipated because this is the ESD function, and we have I mean 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes response time, and we are okay.
Mr. Chairman, for this two ESD alarm, I think all seal have been considered yes, right?
Here we have taken in HOP, yes, in seal it is not there.
Why?
I mean this is pre-filled
I think
information.
I think you need to check again. Maybe it's also
This
What-
this
what
is safe.
check in
This is
the-
of
should
course
be
of
there.
course seal will be
Don, can you
considered.
check? Don, can you check?
Yeah.
All the.
All the safe.
This
yeah?
is safe, Mr. Chairman. This is a safe.
I think
Of
all
course, the
safe
seal should be
functions should
considered.
be in the seal.
Okay, okay, fine.
How come not put of
And for the- above-
above also? Above also.
Yeah, so guys, Gong, can you confirm this is also S, right?
This is safe, yes. All the safe will be considered in our seal workshop.
But I mean, see, sometimes we have to verify the seal report also. If you have any
Please,
doubt,
Chairman, do you have that result report? Please verify because there are some alarms as a credit. No, those alarms you should consider as a high priority.
Yes. Yes.
It is our responsibility.
Yeah. Let me open the seal sheet.
And you are configuring the low here, and again it will make conflict.
Yes, true. Let Okay, so guys, you are able to hear me?
Yeah.
I hope you are able to see my screen. So LS, what is tag number? LSAH
02, yes.
0902-20902.
No, Chairman, there is a tag number philosophy you are putting hyphen between. No, don't put the hyphen. It's not correct.
This is wrong, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
All the tags.
Okay, Amin, please take a note. Please correct the correct legend philosophy. Amin,
Yes.
Yeah.
There's no more zero.
please correct this one. There is no hyphen between.
No, this is LAH. Okay,
Yeah.
LAH.
So LSAH 029
LAH.
02.
02. So LSAH. This one. LSD. They have considered LSDH, but anyway, no problem.